Alright, hello, I'm Andrew, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hidden door in Minecraft. First, click on Single Player, click on Create New World, change this game mode to Creative, and then click on More World Options. What you're wanting to do is make sure that it's super flat, otherwise we're going to have a wonky terrain. Change Presets, scroll down, click Redstone Ready, Use Preset, click Done, and Create New World. Wait for the world to load. This may take a few seconds. Almost there. And alright, here we go. Now what you're wanting to do is get your stone block, go to redstone, and grab sticky piston, a lever, redstone repeater, and redstone. Now to start off, you want to make that 4x4 sticky piston wall with these pistons facing this way. Next, you want to place these pistons right here so they face towards you, but they're on the sides of the other sticky pistons. Next, just go ahead and put some stone there just so they're in the corner, ready to go, and then place some stone on top of these sticky pistons so it covers them. After that, you're going to want to place some redstone right along this side of that very same placement, and then a redstone repeater there. And then you want to copy this exact same structure, but on this side 2 blocks away. So, although that doesn't look like 2, if we place this other sticky piston right here, now it's 2 blocks away. So, let's continue on with the build. Oops. And as for the structure, you want to just mirror the exact same structure that you made on this side. Now that we have this done, what we're wanting to do is connect these parts up so we can then place some redstone right here. After that, you want to just place some stone here. Yeah, place some stone here for later, and just have it like that. Redstone on top. And then you want... So, this is what is considered 1 tick in Minecraft when it's set there. That's 2 ticks, that's 3 ticks, that's 4 ticks. For our purposes, we're wanting it on 2 ticks, so it delays it 2 ticks before hitting this side. And that is what allows this to work later. So, also let's do this to the second side, and now that's set up. And now, we place our lever right here on the side, and if we press it, the door should be working, and if we click it again, it should open up. So now I'm just going to press it so I can see where it extends to, so I can fill up the outside with some blocks to keep the inside from showing. There we go. Now, I mean, this isn't required, but I just like to put stuff away. Anyways, if you click the lever, it opens, and it closes. You've now made a hidden door.